said it was more than just the money. You didn't want to back out and look like a bag.
Yeah, because now everyone knows about it because it's been on the show. So I don't want to back out and look like a bag. Absolutely, I'm doing it because for like false pride.
Matt nailed it. He nailed it. He said, "I'm not the type of bag to pay $200 to hang Alvin." That's Adam. And then to run around like a 6-year-old on streets. All right, that's something else. I don't have this great sense of direction. So I said to you, how do you map out a 13-mile run? What was your response?
I go to mapmyrun.com and then I write the instructions on my hand, and so I look at my hand while I'm running so I don't get lost.
So you do run around like a 6-year-old on streets that you pay to run around on when they're free to run any other day.
Well, I got it mostly right, except for the fact that these are training runs leading up to the full marathon. So yesterday's half was the second half marathon I've run in a month, and it was for free because I just map it and I go and run around for free on the streets like he's talking about. The paid run is coming up in 3 weeks. That's the one I'm paying $200 to do. That's the one where I'll get the 26.2 bumper sticker, put it on my car, change my Twitter avatar to me, holding the medal, change my bio to finisher, do all that stuff that makes me better than everyone else who's never run one.
Wow. You gotta be kidding me about that. Maybe you actually do it before you talk all that junk and run your mouth like that?
I mean, yeah, there's that too.
You're feeling good at your 13.1. That thing's got it. I'm surprised that thing's on your forehead right now. It is on the back of your car, right?
There was no medal when I got home. There was no 13.1 sticker, just a wife who said you've been gone for 2.5 hours. Would you like to parent now? Here's the thing.
I can't wait to hear the thing.
I've never been more
Once you get
scared.
the 13.1 for paying, have you paid half the amount since you run half the marathon, or how do people get the 13.1?
Some people pay to run half marathons.
Okay.
Yeah, I just use them as training. But yeah, I'm really scared now because I don't know how people can do that twice. Like I did it once. I did the 13.1. I have no idea how people do 26.2. I want nothing to do with the big run.
In your defense, you have done 13.1 twice in a month.
Yeah, but now I got to do it twice in 5 hours. Which going to make it really tough.
Does it be twice in 5 hours?
Well, yeah, I mean, I got to finish the 26.2 in the same race, the big one, the full one. I got to do it.
Yeah, but why is there a clock on that? Can't you be like one of those guys who's in one of those documentaries where it's dark and everybody's been home for a week, and there you are crawling backwards to get across the finish line?
I thought I could, and then I read the fine print that if you don't finish this thing in 6 hours, they pull you off the course.
Huh.
Yeah, so you gotta finish this, and because
how fast did you run 13.1?
2 hours 20 minutes. So I'm pacing 4:40 if I can still stand up and do it.
You got no shot. If you're pacing